Well, there's Scott Melgren, SkipperBud's up here, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our last 2023 Bayliner Element E18. It's black and white on a single axle trailer. We have a 115 Mercury on this boat. This particular boat does have a swing tongue trailer. And in the boat, you've got a nice bow area here. It does have a fill-in cushion, so you can have that cushion in for a nice area or a nice little kind of pad. Moving on back, you've got your driver's console here. Pretty simple. Old and speedometer, does have a depth gauge. Nice passenger seating over there. And of course, you've got your seating in the back. Again, it's got the fill-in cushions. Boat is rated for 9 people. A nice little cuddy there with a USB port, and it does have a stereo as well. This particular boat has the snap-in flooring. Yeah, and it comes with a bimini, and it does have a full snap cover. And so there you have it. If you have any interest in this boat or any other boat on our website, please give us a call.